First one, the Hubble Space Telescope and powerful ground based telescopes are now beginning to find galaxies that were created about 1 billion years after the Big Bang. These small galaxies were much closer together than galaxies are today. Collisions were common, like two flames moving towards each other. They merged into bigger galaxies. Our Milky Way galaxy came together in this way. Next, let's see some units. First, astronomical unit. The average distance between the Earth and the Sun is called an astronomical unit. It is denoted by small au. 1 au, that is 1 astronomical unit, is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 8 kilometer. Next, light year. The distance traveled by light in 1 year is called a light year. It is denoted by 1y. 1 light year is equal to 9.4607 into 10 power 12 kilometer. Third one, parsec. A parsec is defined as the distance at which one astronomical unit suspends an angle of 1 arc second. It is denoted by small pc. 1 pc equal to 3.2615 and 1 light year equal to 3.09 into 10 power 13 kilometer. Name of constellation. Indian name and English name. First, Mesam and English name Aries. Rishabham, Taurus. Midunam, Gemini. Kadagam, Cancer. Simmam, Leo. Kanni, Virgo. Tulam, Libra. Virchagam, Scorpio. Dhanusu, Sagittarius. Makaram, Capricorn. Kumbam, Aquarius. Meenam and Pisces. These are name of constellation. Universe. In universe, galaxy. Galaxy is collection of stars. And launching satellites figure ISRO. Spiral galaxies. Flat rotating disks containing stars. Elliptical galaxies. Three-dimensional without structure. And irregular galaxies. Irregular in shape. Satellites, objects revolving around the planets, and planets, objects revolving around the stars. Stars, illumination, heavenly bodies radiating light, and Milky Way, the galaxy in which our solar system is located. Next, heliocentric theory and geocentric theory. Sun is supposed to be at the center, and geocentric theory is Earth is supposed to be at the center. Next, origin of universe. Big Bang theory. Space and time emerged together about billions of years ago. About the scientist. Subramanian Chandrasekhar, 19th October 1910 to 1921, August 1995, was an Indian American physicist who spent his professional life in the United States. He was awarded the 1983 Nobel Prize for Physics with William Flower. His mathematical treatment of stellar evolution yielded many of the best current theoretical models of the later evolutionary stage of massive stars and black holes. The Chandrasekhar limit is named after him. Chandrasekhar worked on a wide variety of physical problems in his lifetime. Children, do you know? In 1989, Galileo Galilei was memorialized with the launch of Jupiter bound space probe bearing his name. During its 14-year voyage, the Galileo space probe and its detachable mini probe visited Venus. The asteroid Capra observed the impact of comet Chomacrelo 9 on Jupiter, Europa, Callisto, Io, and Hamlet. In order to avoid the contamination of one of Jupiter's moons, the Galileo space probe was purposely crashed into Jupiter at the end of its mission of September 2003. The important points from this lesson. The universe consists of galaxies, planets, stars, meteors, satellites, and all other forms of matter and energy. The half moon during the waxing period is called as first quarter, and the half moon during the waning period is called as third quarter. The word crescent refers to the phase where the moon is less than half illuminated. The word eclipse refers to phase where the moon is more than half illuminated. The reversal of direction of planet is called as retrograde motion. The geometric theory followed by the ancient people proposed by the earth is at the center and the sun and the other planets revolve around it. The heliocentric theory states that the sun one at the center and the planet revolve around it. Next, Galileo gave the observational evidence to support the heliocentric theory. There are at least hundreds of billions of galaxies in the universe. A galaxy is a large collection of stars or cluster of stars and celestial bodies held together by gravitational attraction. A constellation is recognizable pattern of stars in the night sky when viewed from the earth. An object that revolves around the planet in a stable and consistent orbit is called a satellite. The Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) is the space agency of the Government of India, headquarters in the city of Bangalore. The Missile Man of India, APJ Abdul Kalam, 1931 to 2015. Abdul Kalam started his school education in government school at Rameswaram. He was very much interested in science and mathematics during his school days. He assisted his relative, a newspaper agent, during his childhood to meet his educational expenses. During a field visit in his school days, Kalam wondered about the flying of birds and clarified his doubts from his teachers. This incident acted as an impetus for him to become a scientist and an aircraft engineer. He got graduate degree in physics in 1954. Then in 1955 he joined MIT Chennai to pursue his course on aerospace engineering. After completing his studies at MIT, he designed an aircraft named Nandi using indigenous materials with the help of indigenous technologists. He operated that flight himself. He took charge as the director of Indian Defense Research Development Organization and the scientific advisor to the Defense Ministry of India in 1983. Kalam successfully launched the Rohini 1 satellite using the India's first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 in 1980. He acted as the project director when the missiles Trishul, Agni, Prithvi, Nag and Akash were designed in the Indian defense. India for the first time experimented nuclear explosion test named Simling Butta in 1974. Kalam was one among the 60 aeronautical engineers in this project. Abdul Kalam played a vital role in the nuclear explosion test project in program named Operation Sakti in 1999. The credit that the Indian has become a nuclear power goes to him. Kalam worked in 5 missile projects of India. He was the most important behind the designing defense rock of India. The government of India awarded him the Bharat Ratna. He was the president of India during the period from 2002 to 2007. The missile man who quoted, "Man needs difficulties because to enjoy the success that are needed to, and you have to dream before your dreams can come true," lives among us even after his death. Let's also sacrifice for the country like him. Thank you, children. We'll see the next session.